Oh, it's still snowing. What do I look like? Yeah, I'm about to shower. What is it? It's Christmas. This is not how we want to do our intro. No. Let's go shower. What is up, you guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 24. It is officially Christmas Eve, and I am still so behind, so I don't think I'm gonna do this next year at all. Like, at all. This is exhausting, and now that I am monetized, I've literally made 0 cents the last 3 days. So, yeah, so I don't know if it's actually worth it. There will be a video coming soon on the whole freshly monetized and the whole new with the YouTube. You know how they put ads on basically anybody's video that they want to? Anyways, so we're just going to quickly get ready. Kevin's having a friend over. I have to go to see my cousin. It's going to be a boring day. I mean, it's Christmas Eve. So, look, I did start to get ready actually, but we're going to go finish that. I just dug my nail into a brand new palette. For the second time. Brand new palette, brand new. Did that yesterday. Literally just did that. I mean, all right. I took a big chunk out of that, man. So I've been using this PUR Fairlight, like it's a 4-in-1 perfecting powder. I don't know, it's for your face. It's got like a translucent bronzer, blush, and highlight. Been using this pretty much for all of Vlogmas. I enjoy every single shade that I received because I did get this in my BoxyCharm. I have the video recorded, I just didn't edit it yet. I'm not quite sure where to look because like my camera is pointing into the mirror. Maybe I'll just move you guys. But no, I kind of like it. But then I just realized you could stare in because Kevin doesn't shut this. Anyways, I will move. I don't like that light. It's a little bit better. So I've really been enjoying this, and if I didn't have so much makeup and I ran out, I would repurchase it, or I would actually purchase it, but I have so much makeup. And anyways, So yeah, we're just gonna kind of go through some of my makeup I've been using during Vlogmas. This is brand new. This is the first time I used it. I really did enjoy this, and it's the new Too Faced Kitty Likes to Scratch palette. You have to be really careful opening it, because like I said, I dug my nail into it twice already, but I can't hold it and hold my camera. But it's a very, very pretty, like, just, I don't know, neutral, almost neutral palette. I like it. It's supposed to smell like tequila sunrise, but it kind of just smells like oranges. I like it. And of course, the famous Raw Beauty Christie Duality palette. That's just a no-brain give, and I mean, you gotta love it. I've also been trying out the Illamasqua shadow. I've never tried an Illamasqua like palette before, but I've been enjoying this. These shadows are super, super creamy, and oh man, but they are expensive. So yeah, I'm just gonna stick with hopefully just getting them in BoxyCharm. Although Ipsy bought BoxyCharm. So stick around. I think I'm getting the new thing in, like, I think it's February is when it's gonna come out. Anyways, yeah, if you're part of my actual makeup channel, it's all in the same channel. But anyways, what's the other kind of sort of standout products that I've been using? Nothing really, to be honest. I mean, my foundation, I did use the Tarte tinted moisturizer. I do like that. That is really good. The shade that I had for the sample size that I had, because Ipsy, anyways, too dark. But normally I've been using the Catrice HD liquid coverage. I really like this, and I think it's actually discontinued. So, thank you, Catrice. But that's just kind of a quick rundown. I mean, I'm not gonna go, oh, my highlight I did use today was brand new too. It's Ofra by Madison Miller. It's the highlight in C shimmer. It's very pretty. I really like it. I really like it. But that's kind of, yeah, I'm not gonna really do anything with my hair because I kind of like the little wave that it has going on. So I'm just gonna catch up with you guys probably after I get back home. So, I love you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Alright, I completely forgot I needed to paint my nails, and we have the last day of the Light Slacker Advent Calendar to open. So, last day, day number 12. Oh, it's green. Ooh, it's called Buddy. It looks like just a very pale, almost Christmassy tree green. Almost. It's more of like a pale neon, actually. I don't really know my colors, apparently. Right, Rose? What am I doing?
Ooh, hi. Yeah, you're in the camera, man. You need the camera.
Yeah, it doesn't really pick up on camera, man. Like I said, my camera's not really picking it up, but here is the second coat of Buddy. I like this color. It's kind of actually more like a minty green. I don't know why I said like a Christmas tree. I'm just a little, yeah. But that completes the 12 days of the Light Slacker Advent Calendar. I'm pretty happy about it because I got, what, 9 actual nail polishes? No, I got more than 9. 10, right? 10? 2, 4, 6, 10. I got 10 new nail polishes. Well, technically, I got 9 because that clear coat, I have already their clear coat. But I don't have their matte coat, which now I do. Or did I buy it? I might have bought it. No, I think I bought Loud Lacquer. I really like Loud Lacquer and Light Lacquer, and I always get them kind of confused because they're double L's. Anyways, I will catch up with you guys after I get back from my cousin. So yeah, mid nail painting. So I'll see you guys soon. Ooh, guess who just got home, man? Guess who just got home, man? Guess. See him, what's he doing? Ooh, he's got beer. Ooh, guess who's home, man? Guess who's home, man? You're not doing anything. 3, 2, 1. Be nice. Good. There we go. All right. So I just got back. I don't know if we're going to cook dinner. If I do, you guys will just have a little like maybe montage cooking. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed this Christmas Eve Vlogmas day 24. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking this link right here. And if you haven't already, no. And if you want to binge watch some of my content and you just want to hang out a little bit longer, go ahead and click one of these links right here. I love you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I will see you in tomorrow's last Vlogmas for Christmas Day. Bye. This floor is squeaky.